I recently purchased a Samsung S24. Actually, the original purchase was a blue S24, and for some reason the phone made it all the way to my town in shipping, and then I recently purchased a Samsung S24. Actually, the original purchase was a blue S24, and for some reason the phone made it all the way to my town in shipping, and then was, for some unknown reason, returned back to Samsung in Coppell, Texas. After some wait, I called Samsung, and they promised me a minimum of a $100 discount code for the inconvenience of waiting on the phone that I ordered and never received, and was returned back to their location in Coppell, Texas. I subsequently ordered another phone, a black S24. I tried to order the blue S24 again, but it had since gone out of stock. So I ordered a black S24 and spoke with a Samsung customer service representative who helped me place my order, and who also guaranteed me that there would be a price match because there was a $200 difference between the black S24 and the blue S24. So he promised me a $200 refund, and that was to take place at least 2 hours after I placed my order. I called back approximately 4 hours after I placed my order and was told that I'd have to wait 24 to 48 hours to get that refund processed. Okay, fine. So I waited about 48 hours, called back again. I was then told that I'd have to wait till after the phone was received. Okay, fine. And that so I waited until the day I received the phone. I called back after I received the phone and was told that they would not honor the $200 price match guarantee, that was not in their policy. Okay, so I asked to speak to a supervisor. Supervisor told me that yes, that it was fine, that they would honor the $200 price match guarantee, but it would be 1 to 2 business days. Okay, fine. So after 2 business